What's up, y'all? What's going on? We're back. It is day one of the pressure show. I'm parked in the back. It is full already. It's like 9:30. So you know that means it's gonna be really packed today. See, I'm parked at the back. See where the terrace, or not the terrace, the theater. Yeah, Palm Beach Terrace Theater, whatever. We're back here. Yeah, it's gonna be super busy today. Friday usually is not that busy, but you know how that goes. If you guys can't remember, Rock had a concert right back here. I think it was like 2020. Good times. Man, it's gonna be a lot of people. I'm getting anxiety right now, so let's check it out. All right, here's all the crazies waiting to get in. Man, there's a lot of people here today. It's pretty dope what they have over here. Lane 7, check it out. Check out their setup. This is my setup right here. I asked if I can get the records after the show. We'll see. I gotta go ask. Look at all these people. All right, let's go buy something.
Yeah, that's all I need to.
I gotta head this way, say what's up to my people. I think I need to buy one of these. Good, man. How are you? Good. We're at the Omni booth. And look who's right next door to them. Printomize. Let's go see my friends here. How you doing? What? It's black. And he has a tray. What the heck? That's the big machine they got over there. This thing is huge. Look at this. There's like an 8 head, 4 head. I don't know. We'll come back to that. All right, like I said, I'm gonna make my way on this side.
Yakima, Washington. RhyBeats.
What's up?
What's good, man?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What up? We're at TK booth. Look, we got Burographs in the building. What's up, man?
We're from Yakima, Washington.
Washington. Oh man, appreciate you, man. Hey,
How far are you from here?
look at this guy.
What's up, y'all? How far are you from here?
That was E. Garment Creations. Dude, this is nice. All right, Rick. Appreciate Rick. We're gonna go in here and ask for a burrito.
For like free food.
All right, I was told to ask for a burrito. Oh, there we go.
There you are. Would you like like examples of return?
Yes, please. Thank you. All right, let's open this up. It's not a burrito, all right? Oh, here's the Grim code. There's a giveaway. I gotta do that scan thing. You know, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. They're giving this thing away. $6.99. Excuse me. Super soft.
Hi.
How you doing?
Do you remember me?
Yeah, I do. There's good friends at Anatol. I better go grab a couple of shirts before they give it away. Live t-shirt printing booth 3604. I want my shirt. If you guys didn't know, this is like the atrium, or I don't know what to call the atrium, but this is where the rock is. The rock people.
So right now, he's going at 300 an hour. Jeff thinks he can manually transfer with the stampinator at a rate of...
I don't know where I'm going.
You want a line?
Yes, please. What is that? All right, what they selling over here?
But these vacuum holders are with size.
What size hoop is that?
This is the 11 by 13.
That would make sense.
What's going on, brother? How are you?
It's good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
Thank you very much. Been here all day?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's great to see you though.
You guys know where I'm at. Look at that big shirt.
Yes.
James over here.
So I got those two and I've got...
Chanel. Alright, this is a pretty cool booth. Comfort Colors. Whoa, that's neat. I love the booth. Alright guys, what's up? I'm in the Wellington booth. You guys can see that. I just did something stupid. I don't know if it's stupid or not, but look. Sold. I bought it. Whoa, look at this thing. Stampinator?
This is Impress.
Oh, Impress.
Yeah, this is actually all contained unit. One unit.
Oh, I gotta get my shirt. I gotta get my free shirt.
We are live.
The light grey is okay if there's no light.
All right, you have
Thank
40,
you.
right?
Come on.
I'm gonna have you.
Laser cutter. Laser cutter. Juan, that's your laser cutter right there. Alright guys, that's it. Show's over. Day 1 is done. Today was just more getting my bearings, see what's going on at the show, and see who's there. Tomorrow we're gonna do a lot more of in person into the booth itself and talk to other people. Look, my thing broke. Well, anyways, see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. All right, peace out.